Hello, it's Napper again from Enduro Engineering. We're going to go over an instructional video on how to install our all-new Evo 2 Moto Roost Deflector. Okay, I'm going to show you what comes in your Evo 2 Moto Roost Deflector kit. You get the all-new Evo 2 Roost Deflector. You get the new composite moto guards right and the left. Of course, your deflector plates. Then you get your caps to attach that to the bar, and the hardware. You have the two long screws to mount the cap to the bar, and then you have a Phillips screw to mount the deflector to the bar. And also in the kit, we supply you with a Torx bit. It's a T20, and we supply that bit if you don't have that in your toolbox. You'll need a screwdriver, and since I already have, I'll use my own T20 in this instruction video. Before we even start to put our moto deflectors on, you might have to make some adjustments to your controls to get the fitment correctly. On this particular bike, this gentleman likes to run his start on the left side of the bike and his kill switch on the right, and we already adjusted those correctly so we can get the proper fitment of our motor arms onto the handlebars. So on this particular bike, you can either run the arm under the controls or over. So the way this gentleman runs his levers, we're going to go under the bar to mount this. And I'm also going to show you the other way of running the bar over the lever. Because if you would like to run your levers lower, you can. This is also an option. So again, you just fit this under there, and then you can mount your lever to get your desired angle that you desire. So on the mounting bar for your Evo 2 Roost Deflector, we have 3 holes on each side, and it gives you a little bit of fore and aft adjustment to get your desired protection on the end of the bar. And on this particular bike, the way he runs his control, the middle hole works the best. So you're going to take your Evo 2 Roost Deflector, the front mounting to plate, and 2 of the supplied Phillips head screws, and mount that way. Really, all you have to do is repeat the process on the other side. Really, the only final check you need to do is just make sure you have your Evo 2 Moto Roost Deflectors in the position that you want from this point, and you're all set to go, ready to roost. Another Enduro Engineering product I like to suggest is this gentleman likes to run our full aluminum debris deflectors on his motorcycle, and when he goes to go moto, he likes to put our moto deflectors on, which makes sense. And we make this handlebar plug insert that goes in the bar, since we have to cut the grip out on both the throttle and grip side. And it just cleans up your bike, and if in case you get in a crash or whatever, it doesn't pack your grip full of dirt. And it's just as simple. You just insert, use a 5mm Allen wrench, and tighten. And you're all set. So that's another product that we offer. It kind of makes the bike look better if you happen to run both the Moto Roost Deflector and the aluminum debris deflector. Thanks for watching our instructional video today. Have a great day and go squirt some dirt.